All right, I got this Sidewalk chalk in the mail. I received this in compensation in exchange for a review, but all of these thoughts are my own. Comes with 160 pieces total, which is 140 classic colors, 10 glitter colors, and 10 neon colors as well. It is jumbo size chalk, so let's open it up. Here's what it looks like in the box. As you can see, you have repeats of a lot of the same color over and over, but that's okay. You go through it pretty quick. These are your 10 most common colors. Of course, you have the colors of the rainbow and also brown and white. And then looking through this, you also have a few rows of these, which look very, very similar to these. Maybe just slightly darker variations of some of the colors, but those blues and greens look awfully similar. Here are some glitter ones. You can see the glitter actually inside of the chalk. Looking forward to testing that out. And then the neon ones as well. Once again, they look very, very similar to the other standard colors. Just on first glance, they do look a little bit brighter. So I'm definitely interested in testing these out and seeing how they're neon. Let's open this up and take a look at some of the chalk. Here is a piece of red. It is quite thick. The chalk is about 4 inches long and about 1 inch in diameter. Definitely leaves a chalky residue on your fingers. And there are spots of different colors on the chalk, but that shouldn't show up actually in your designs when you use it. Probably just because it's been sitting next to other pieces of chalk in the package. So that's the standard chalk. Let's open up some glitter chalk. I do this to my own detriment because glitter tends to stick to my hands and face. But you can definitely tell that that glitter is all over the chalk. I'm interested to see how that actually shows up in the designs. That's fun and different. And here's the neon chalk. In the package, it looks pretty standard, so I'm interested to see how that shows up actually on the ground. All right, I'm gonna take some of this outside and see how it looks. All right, so there we go. There's our 3 rainbows. This one was made with the standard chalk. This one was made with the glitter chalk. And this one was made with the neon chalk. Looking at them really closely, the colors show up bright even in daylight. You can definitely see some of the glitter there in the glitter one. And I would say the neon one does have slightly brighter colors, but it's not significantly different than the classic colors. But yeah, all 3 show up well in daylight. The chalk is easy to use. The colors are vibrant. And of course, there's more colors in this. There's whites, there's browns, different shades of red. So yeah, I think our kids are gonna love them. So my wife suggested that I actually use these on black paper and maybe the differences will show up a lot better. So here's the normal chalk, glitter chalk, and I think this is the neon chalk. So I will say it's hard to capture it on camera, but in the right lighting conditions, and if you kind of move the paper around, you can see the glitter in real life. Like I said, I can't really get it to show up on the video, but that glitter does appear to glitter on the paper. Not sure if you can see that or not, but it is definitely glittery. If you just want some good chalk to play with outside, entertain the kids for a while, this will do the job. If you'd like to purchase it, there's a link in the description. We get a small commission and it would really help us out. Hey, my name's Chris, and with my wife Abby's help, we're on a quest to review literally everything.
They tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something that could make sense.